Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to rainy Honiara. Today we are going to run a few errands, but we are going to kickstart the day here at home. So in the Solomons, it's kind of typical for families to have little gardens around the house. This is mine. So actually I've planted what we call taro. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a root crop, and also here we have tomatoes, and this one is spring onion. Here's my little garden. It's kind of drizzling at the moment, so it doesn't look really good for me to go. So guys, we are in town at the moment. As you can see, Honiara is currently undergoing a lot of construction. The main highway from the center of the city towards the western side is under construction, and that's what's happening behind. So I have something to do at the government office here. For BulkShop tea shops are very popular among locals for hot beverages, and they have many locations across Honiara city. Today I'm having coffee and their famous lolo bun. It has stopped raining like a couple of hours ago. I don't really know how to describe the scene right now, but it's kind of dark. It's just past 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But as you can see, I think normally like when it rains, the sea becomes calmer. So I'm actually standing at the main seaport of Honiara, and people are getting on board a little boat on the other side. I think it's called MV Pelican. I think it's sailing to one of the islands in the Eastern Solomons, Makira. Yeah, so I'm feeling kind of aimless at the moment, but I have a couple of things to finish before I head back home. I'm going to the supermarket and the market before I head back home. So come with me. Yeah guys, so honestly speaking, I feel like the conditions in Honiara are not really suitable for such a rainy condition like this. The roads are really bad. I think they are making an effort to try to fix the roads. Yeah, but otherwise I feel like we have a very long way to go. And just like that, it's time for a quick trip to BulkShop. What in the Solomon Islands are we looking for? We're looking for comics. I am making a soup today, so I also need to get myself an onion. Up next, the Honiara Central Market. Guys, I'm at the Central Market and I'm looking for pumpkins. I think I'm gonna get this one. $20. Sana $20. Sana $5. Sana. I'm afraid, but I'm not going to show you the cooking bit today. But if you'd like to see it in the next video, please let me know. This is Harold in Honiara. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.